Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you guys this video because I've created this like everyday to festival day makeup look. So for me, I wear like glitter like literally all the time. So the first half of this look, you can literally wear it for a night out or just in the daytime, and then I add some really wicked sparkle and obviously these amazing jewels to make it into this really cool pink festival look. If you do want more of these festival looks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends if you liked it, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. My goal for this year would be to reach 5,000 subscribers. That would be literally insane. And as always, you can buy all of the products that are featured in this video with the links down in the description box. Also guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this video, so my link is on the screen right now and it's always in the description box, so come and follow me on there. I'm always posting really cool crazy outfit looks, makeup look, and if you guys want to get to know me a little bit better, it's really easy, we can just message each other on there. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video guys, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.
The shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.